Hello, in this video I will show you how to insert columns into the Word document. So for example, I have a paragraph, a document. If I want this one to be two columns, you just go to Layout and select Columns. You have option here, two columns. It will change the whole document to two columns. Okay. So, for example, if we want more than three columns here, you can click the button More Columns here, and then you select how many columns you want. It will change to 7 columns. Okay, and if you want one columns, then after that two columns, then after that one columns again. You can do things like that. Change back to one column. For example, you want this one up to here to two columns. Okay. Then you click the paragraph as the first character. Then change it to two columns. Okay. Oh, sorry, not there. Let me go back. Select the first letter. Then go to More Columns. Then from here, select 2. Then select this point forward. Okay. Now it's starting from these letters, change to two columns. And then if you want this, the other sentence, the other page, go back to one column. You can go back to here, and then select one columns, and this point forward. Okay, then it's changed back to one column again. Okay, so hope you enjoy this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.